I didn't forget 755 medium. I hesitated on that because I was supposed to say 1K. Impossible. But I didn't forget. I don't remember who it is for or who you requested scarves and hats for, but I finally got started on a scarf because it's about to be cold weather and I should have done it a while ago, but I didn't because I haven't had time. But I definitely didn't forget, so I'm trying to get at least a scarf done. I want to get a scarf and hat, but we shall see. We work on one thing at a time. I get this done, I'll let you know. Okay? Okay. Peace out, baby girl. What I can do for others, I definitely try my best. God willing. So I've gotten this much done so far. Slow but sure, but I'm getting there.